So when Rory asked me to talk, he said, just give us a why. Give us a why. And so I called this homesteading America's hottest trend. What defines a homesteader? Homesteaders, we're the people that we can park at our house and never lock our cars, except in August to keep the neighbors from putting runaway zucchini squash in them. We're the ones that when we drive to town, we don't have to worry about no self-respecting car thief would ever touch our jalopies and our dust-covered vehicles. You can always spot it in the parking lot. It's the dirty one over there, the one that has an illegible license plate because it's all dusted up. We live constantly right between serenity and terror. The serenity of going out and watching the pigs just, nobody sleeps like a pig. I mean, if you want to see something that sleeps, go look at a pig, at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and they're snuggled up and they kind of root out their little trench, and boy, they just get down in there and they just, all get tight. That's wonderful, nice serenity until the pigs are in the garden. Terror. Homesteaders, the facts of life aren't a problem to our kids. Facts of life, you see it every day. The rooster and the hen, the bull and the heifers, the he-goats drinking pee. The facts of life are pretty obvious. And for homesteaders, we don't need to go to theme parks. I've never been to Disney World. I have no desire to go to a theme park. I don't need to go to a roller coaster. I don't need to go to Busch Gardens. I get all the adrenaline rush I need when I cut a tree and it falls into one next to it. Then I have to get under that one and cut that one out. And now I'm watching to make sure that one, you know what I'm talking about? That's all the rush I need. I don't need roller coasters and theme parks and all that stuff. So it's a much cheaper existence if you stay alive.